Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bowers & Wilkins Px8 McLaren Edition, and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Android phone by Bluetooth. Let's get started. The first thing we are gonna do is just to go into pairing mode by pulling this switch into Bluetooth. As you can see, we're in pairing mode. So now we have to scroll down to our control panel and hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we just have to click pair new device, and our Px8 McLaren Edition headphones are there. We have to click on it and wait a moment. Now we have to allow for contacts and call history and click pair. Now we can go into settings, and as you can see, we are now connected. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.